2, 1, stop. Good job.
Thanks, that was an awesome workout.
What are you talking about? That wasn't the workout.
What?
That was the pre-warm-up.
Okay.
It's the pre-warm-up to get to your warm-up to get to your actual workout. And then we go to the warm-down.
Oh, warm dance?
Yeah, you know, you just run uphill forever.
Okay.
And then you walk back down. It's okay.
Okay.
Backwards.
Okay.
On your hand. With leg weights.
Leg weights?
Mm-hmm. You ready to get started?
Okay.
Okay. All right, so this first part, we'll start with weights. I usually do 50s myself. Yes. But since you're new, we'll start with 10s.
10s? I can pull out 30s, look at all my muscles.
Are you sure you can do that? Are you sure you can do more? Sure
Let's go 40.
40?
No, let's 60. I can do it.
Okay, we'll go with 60s. Okay, so these are 60s. Go 60s. You may want to sit back. A little further back. Just a titch more. Thanks. Okay, 50s. All right. Hi-ya! Ha-ha! Hi-ya! 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 And go! Go! Hi-ya! That was one.
I think you created an earthquake in the gym.
Just a little one. It's only a little fissure. Ready? Okay, you ready? And go! Standing up is better. Yeah. Ready? And go! Up. Okay, one more time. 3, 2, 1, thrust! Yes, that's good, good, good. One more. Okay, do that again, again. We're moving on. Okay. Okay.
Thanks.
We'll go on to cardio.
Cardio.
Cardio, yeah.
Cardio.
Okay, so we got this treadmill right here.
Okay.
Basic treadmill. So you start with a little nice walk, get your fingers going, and then you speed it up, and you keep really going, and then you go Euro training. Ha! Ha! Yeah! Hey! Ha!